Here's the Count back from the job center.
It is terrible in there. They don't want some other of my skills.
What skills have you got?
I can lie in a box all day and get up and feast on virgins all night.
Have you tried the post office?
Yes.
It is the same for me. There I was last year on the planet Mars with my city of death. I have to foreclose. Northwest want their money back. I sell it and I move here and open this small pub.
It's a nice pub.
Yes, it's a very nice pub.
Yes, but it's not the pub I want. I wanted to call it the Pub of Death.
That's a good name for a pub.
Yes, it smacks of evil.
So, but the council wouldn't let me. They told me it has to be the Slug and Lettuce.
What is so evil about a slug?
Or a lettuce.
I think there's something wrong here.
You're telling me?
I think that there is open discrimination against those who are evil.
You could be onto something. They kept all those people on in Carpet World, but I was the only one they let go.
It is as if they do not want evil in the world.
They only have to see evil on your resume and they strike you from the list.
Yes. Gentlemen, let us have a drink. Gladys, a drink for these gentlemen.
What will it be?
I will have a beer.
Make mine a Bloody Mary.
I can't do any of that. I've got no arms.
Oh, for fuck's sake.